Wadhi kaunti Siaya nyakuro mgajung kama jodak Siaya kuwa mondo mi ochiw geno kendo siro oganda mantiere kod tuo kansa ithiro wach kawo ngima gi kotenore gi akwede magisebedo ka giyudo. Miyo Gavana Siaya Betty Orengo yango ni dwaro ntiere mondo mi oyango kenge mag chiwo tiegruok e yore mag rakore gi tuo mar kansa. Omedo jiwo oganda mondo mi orwak oganda modak gi tuo no. Report mosir gi Director mar Mildmay Kenya Elizabeth Aluoch, MCA ma South East Lagos Scholastica Madu ojiwo dwaro mar gero kuonde mag timo pim gi thiro tuo mar kansa e kor gwenge ma pacho kaka yor chiwo geno ne oganda go.
There is no wasted opportunity for awareness raising. Now we focus still on continuing screening for cervical cancer, but especially for breast cancer. Or in addition to screening for breast cancer, because it is the biggest cancer killer. It is the biggest incidence of cancer that we have in our country. 40% is a very sobering statistic that were given by the surgeon. And of those 40%, of those 40 of us here amongst the 100 women who are here, there are many of us who don't know our breast status, if there's such a thing.
I think we make one mistake of prescribing death when somebody is diagnosed with cancer. And instead of journeying with empathy, we tend to have sympathy. And so what we don't realize is that kills a patient very fast. Because then it does not give them the power to move. It makes them think that the journey is over, instead of the encouragement. And sometimes we prefer normal conversation. Don't visit a patient and start talking about how many people you know that have died.
Dakika prario bang sabiro marudi uchenya kurumga juang chendo en Migago erokamano kuom medo kete mana ka Ramogi TV.